So you know that old expression, when it rains, it pours? Today's one of those days. Today, it's raining. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Chris. This is Dirty Trucker 08. We've had a bit of an influx of new people, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, you know what to expect. So today, I should be working on Big Chief here. It's got a whole laundry list of things that need to get done to it, parts that are just sitting here in boxes ready to go. But I've got one big problem. One big problem. It's kind of multiple problems. I'm gonna show you. That shouldn't be there. There shouldn't be a beetle nose under my Jeep. That doesn't belong. This is what's going on with my daily. And as you can tell, it is raining. The rat has come out and is now my daily in the rain, which I am not happy about. So what happened to the Deedle, you might ask? So what happened to the Deedle? Here's a few pictures. Just a couple. Not gonna overload you with pictures. Basically, a trash panda ruined my day on the way to work. So today, where I should be working on Big Chief, I'm waiting on parts for the Deedle and driving the rat to work. Who would have expected that? The rat hasn't been a daily in forever. And the rat is still running with no intake because I haven't got that done yet either. I'm so far behind. So far behind. But what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be running to Harbor Freight. I've got another tool I'm going to go pick up. You guys will be seeing that in a future video. Hopefully that makes a big difference in some of the work that we're doing. Just a little teaser. But until then, I thank you guys for watching. All you new subscribers, welcome again. Please share with your friends. But that's it. That's all I've got. It's not a whole lot today. Just bringing you up to speed. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. I will see you guys next time.